Something's telling me you might be you. It's telling me you might be you. All of my life, looking back, it's like first we walked past. All of my life, changing hands and yet everyone makes it right. If I found a place that I recognize your face, something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet thoughts today, so many dreams to wait, and there's so much love to make. I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you. All of my I've been singing love songs and lullabies, and there's so much more no one's ever heard before. Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it must be you. And I'm feeling real, just me. All of my life, maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all my life. Maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life.
Grabe, nakakakilig naman kasi.
Ate Bea, ano ba Ate Bea?
Ay, Tita Piolo, doon naman sa gilid. Grabe, nakakakilig kayo. Pero kayo, bawal na bata pa kayo, ha? Ay, bata po kami, syempre, nakakakilig sila eh. Talaga?
Hindi nga.
Yes!
Yeah.
Oo, nakita ko
Talaga?
matapos hands kayo.
Ay!
Kaso may something. Wala ko. Pero salamat po sa mga fans at supporters itong apat na to at ng mga Star Magic artists na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Kung gusto niyo pong mapanood online itong Fans Day ngayon,
Yes.
please visit ASAP website, asap.abs-tbn.com. Ayan, 12
We love you,
Tuesday.
Catherine. We love you.
All right. And we'd like to also thank all the fans who attended the ASAP Fans Day today. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you. And there are more Fans Days to come, so please watch out for it. Pero guys, hindi pa tapos sa celebration natin. Because sa pagbabalik ng ASAP 19,